1. Wake up with a plan, not your phone. No scrolling, no dopamine overdose. 2. Work out daily. Strong body equals strong mind. 3. Read at least 1 page a day. You can't grow a big life with a small mind. 4. Set deadlines for every goal. 5. Learn a high-income skill. 6. Be productive for 3 to 4 deep hours daily. Not busy, actually progressing. 7. Sleep early, wake early. 8. Talk less, do more. Silently build. Loud results. 9. Track your progress daily. 10. Cut negative people. 11. No 0 days, even 1% progress counts. 12. Practice saying no. Your time isn't free. Stop giving it away. 13. Limit social media as much as possible. 14. Learn self-defense basics. 15. Drink more water than chemicals. Your body isn't a trash can. 16. Fix your posture. 17. Dress with intention. People treat you how you present yourself. 18. Build a strong handshake and eye contact. 19. Control your emotions. 20. Work in silence. Celebrate in private. 21. Invest money every month. You'll thank yourself at 30. 22. Prioritize skill greater than entertainment. Netflix won't pay your rent. 23. Fix your communication. Your voice can open doors or close them permanently. 24. Take full responsibility for your life. Stop blaming. Start winning. 25. Surround yourself with ambitious people. 26. Discipline over motivation, always.